Hello. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I created these beautiful soft clouds in this wonderful vintage inspired painting called Above the Clouds. And I'm going to show you how we use a paper towel to make a very simple wet on wet technique and create this effect of soft, fluffy clouds. Right, Angel? Yeah, you're going to say hi? Hello. Good girl. So welcome to my studio and let's get started with the video. So you're going to start by mixing your sky color and applying that with a large brush, just filling in an area for now, just getting that top of the sky nice and blue and very wet. Then you're going to take a little piece of paper towel, dip it in some water and squeeze it out, and then open it up and fluff it up. And just kind of blur out the edges. You're going to take the wet paper towel and add some texture and soften your edges. Now I'm going to take some of that same sky color and I'm going to leave some brown background for my clouds, and I'm going to add some more sky color below. Now you can add lights and darks. I'm going to be using a lot of white down near the horizon line. So I'm going to fill in the bottom of the sky really quickly because acrylic paint dries fast. So now I'm going to take my damp paper towel and I'm going to blend all these colors and soften them with the paper towel. And you can leave as much texture or as little texture as you like. So just soften it. Don't rub too hard. You don't want to wash your paint off the canvas. Now you're going to take some more of your sky color and you're going to fill in the other side of the sky. Again, just creating a lot of wet area. And then I take the paper towel and I just soften it and tap it. And now for the clouds. All right, so this is what we've been waiting for. Now we're going to use the paper towel to create our white, soft, fluffy clouds. So take your paper towel. You're going to, if your sky has dried, add a little bit of blue sky back onto your canvas. So this is nice and wet. Now with the paper towel dipped in straight white, you're going to make the top of your clouds and you're going to blend it as you come down using the paper towel with that wet blue color. Now the other side, do the same thing. Take straight white and then as you come down, just soften it and lightly scrub or lightly scrunch it into your blues. Now since the paper towel is damp, you can even lay in a very light layer of fluffy clouds down near the bottom of your sky. Even if the blue has dried, just lightly scrub on some light blue with your paper towel, and then take the paper towel and add some fresh white to the tops of your clouds. See, that beautiful edge is created from the paper towel. The texture, the little fluffy irregularities, all those things that you see on a regular cloud in the sky is created through that ragging technique. So as your clouds dry, you can always take a little bit of clean white and just tap it or lightly rub it again towards the top of your clouds to get them nice and bright. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more painting video tutorials and tips. Bye.